या हेलो दोस्तों। सो आज हम लोग जानने वाले हैं सेल्सफोर्स के बारे में। सेल्सफोर्स एक सीआरएम सॉफ्टवेयर है जो कि सीआरएम इंडस्ट्री में यूज़ होता है एंड ऑल्सो इट्स वन ऑफ द world number one CRM software when it comes to the market share and other aspect also in terms of facility wise and all the features and development options in comparison to other CRM. So today's we are going to showcase that what is object in Salesforce CRM. So in Salesforce CRM, as you can see in the my screen, that I have logged in with my user ID and password. So first of all, you have to log in to your Salesforce in your browser. Type like Salesforce login, and you find that here is the login Salesforce page. So in this page, you have to enter your like email ID and password. So I have already saved my password in Google Password Manager. Because of that, I have to enter only the Google PIN. Based on that, these are going to automatically, or we can say autofill, the username and password. So after that, you have to click the login button. Once you will click the login button, we will land on this interface, and this interface has and this is a setup. So these are the this is a setups. This, we can say, this is the uh, home page of the Salesforce user interface. So you can see here that one is a home options role tab and another is object manager. So when you go to the object manager, so sometimes it take time in reloading. So wait for some time, because sometimes Salesforce uh, it takes too much time in reloading. This is one of the, we can say, that is a disadvantage of the Salesforce, but still this is one of the uh, world number one CRM in terms of market share and overall features and functionality. So when you click on the object manager, you will find that there is a lot numerous numbers of objects. That is a in Salesforce we have mainly two types of the objects. So first of all, you have to know about the object. What is object in Salesforce? So object is a like a spreadsheet, or we can say data table in Salesforce. So in data table, object is a row in normal data tables, and in Salesforce we have object like the same as a data table in other database or any types of the Google Sheets. And on objects we are creating different types of fields for storing our data. So we can say that field is a column in Salesforce, like that. So when it comes to the object, we have mainly two types of the objects. One is the standard object, another is a custom object. So a standard object, if you can ask me what is the standard object, so a standard object is an object that is by default given by the Salesforce. Like if you have created, when you are creating the first time your account in Salesforce, then you get some standard object. That is, you can also see that like account is a standard object. Type is you can see in the type, that is a standard object. So these are the some custom object like applicant I have created. This is some custom object. So custom object is the object that we are creating according to our own business requirement. That is called the custom objects. So mainly two types of the object in Salesforce. One is a standard object. In a standard object we have many objects like account, contact. You can also see here that is a contact available here. So account, contact and opportunities, these are the some standard objects like that. And when it comes to the account, here you can see like contact, and another is like we have opportunity. So opportunity, yeah, here is opportunity objects. So these are the some standard objects. So first of all, today I'm going to share that how you can create the object in Salesforce particularly. So here, first of all, you have to click on the object manager schema tab, and after that on create you have two options. Either you can create manual, or manually you can create the object in Salesforce, and you can also create the object in Salesforce from spreadsheets like Excel sheet, Google sheet, and many more other external data sources. You can also create from that also. So I am going to create manually to showcasing it like that. And when it comes to creating a custom object in Salesforce, first of all you have to show the labels like accounts. There is the showing the examples like account. These are the display name, these are going to show on the display. Like I am creating a ABC object like that. So, and plural name, you have to give the name of the plural name, so that we can identify it very easily like that. So here is the name of OBJS I have given. So if you can, it's not mandatory, you can also put this some descriptions here why you are creating that, or why you are creating this object. So for I am creating for the demo purposes like that. Purposes. So here you can see that record name is like account object name. This is a by default name. You can also change here, and the data type is text or auto number. So when you are selecting the auto number, then all the times it is going to give you the unique numbers. Like when you created the first record, then it is going to give you the first as a first record number, and when you are creating the, it is automatically increasing the number when you are creating the records. So here are some features like allow records. If you are if you select the checkbox, then this object is also going to be available in when you are going to create the report in dashboard. I'm going to discuss in the later phase of the implementation of this bootcamps. So allow search, these are the some functionality that we can share. So I first of all I'm going to video how you can create the object in Salesforce, and here we have to save the objects. So here I have saved the objects, and here you can see like that our description I have given demo purposes, and object here is the API name. It's unique, it cannot be duplicated, so it's a unique schema name that is provided by the Salesforce. So here, and when it comes to the you have already created the objects, and you can see there is a lot of information on there like field and relationship, page layout, lighting, record page, button, compact layout, field set, object limit, record type, related lookup fields, restrictions rules, exporting rules, object access, trigger, flow triggers, validation. These are the some good features and functionality that Salesforce is providing. So I'm going to discuss in another video. First of all, today's for today's that is enough. So you have to explore about the object in Salesforce. So that's all from my side. Thanks.